Are you looking for the best gardening glove? In this video, we will break down the top 6 gardening gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Magid BE337T. For being so thin, these gloves are surprisingly protective and especially durable. Expect these gloves to last through the entire active season, from early spring until the break of winter. They are breathable, flexible, water-resistant, and double-coated with polyurethane and nitrile on the palm side for additional protection and comfort. They are comfortable. The gloves offer increased dexterity, a textured finish for enhanced grip and extra resistance to keep hands clean and protected. Naturally comfortable and stylish, the pure and simple designs are certain to inspire the green thumb in every gardener. The exciting Comfort Flex technology repels water so that it beads up and rolls off. Utilizing a new combination of polyurethane and nitrile, the double-coated palm provides supreme comfort and textured grip in wet or dry conditions. A knit wrist helps keep dirt out. At number 2. Foxgloves W0003. These gloves are designed with a luxury appeal in mind, giving you comfortable protection which, while not waterproof, does indeed protect very well against dirt and grime. The feel of these gloves is great. You'd be convinced that you're wearing the softest cotton gloves, while the fabric lasts much longer and is easier to clean. The gloves are a pair designed for the comfort-conscious female. The fit is fine for either sex, but the design is clearly aimed at the fairer sex. This is a pair of gloves that you wear in between the rest of your daily routine, giving you a way to keep your hands clean while doing light work or gardening chores. These gloves are ultra-quick drying as well. At number 3. Atlas Glove NT370A6M. Best suited for light or medium duty, these nylon gloves come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, and a range of colors including green, black, purple, and pink. They can really feel what they're doing and maintain better control compared with thicker gloves. The nitrile-coated palms provide more grip and durability, but these gloves are still breathable enough to be comfortable. The only drawback is that they probably aren't thick enough for thorn-intensive duties, but they are machine washable. At number 4. Bionic GW2L. These gardening gloves are designed by orthopedic specialists and made to help patients with extra sensitive or arthritic hands. The gloves are made to grip your hands the right way so they can provide your hands with the support they need to continue your gardening project. They often have neoprene at the wrists to make them fit better, and they essentially massage your hands while you work, making them perfect for people suffering from any type of hand pain. The glove includes special padding that supports the base of the thumb and the wrist, fingertips made of silicone so that the gloves last longer, mini towels made of terry cloth that absorb moisture in certain spots, and strong materials such as synthetic and real leather for durability and reliability. At number 5. Leather 78604. These gardening gloves offer ample hand and arm coverage, making them perfect rose gloves, as well as general-purpose protection. There is sturdy goatskin for the hands and cowhide sleeves for the arms that resists all punctures. And the gloves are washable. They cover up to the average person's elbow and are available in light gray or black. Rather than peel off your gloves every time you want to read a text, opt for a good durable pair of gardening gloves that also offer touchscreen access. Touchscreen glove technology is extremely convenient. The gloves use a conductive material on the fingertips that then allows for use of smartphones and touchscreen technology. At number 6. G&F 5013. The gloves are produced with only premium quality genuine cowhide leather that is soft and flexible enough for your kids' little hands. Kids will not feel the bulkiness around the knuckles, or the stiffness when moving your fingers. The easy slip-on cuff makes it easy for your little one to put the gloves on, and does a fantastic job keeping dirt and water out. The glove also features a shirred wrist that keeps the glove in place and prevents dirt and debris from entering. It comes in sizes medium, ages 4 to 6, and large, ages 7 to 9, which should cover your kids until they can fit adult-sized gloves.